Millions of students worldwide study while listening to music, whether it be a classical study music playlist on Spotify or their favorite songs. Teachers claim that music inhibits a student's ability to study properly. I'd agree with them when it comes to reading text. Listening to music with lyrics on the side while reading is simply too overwhelming. In general, however, they are simply incorrect about how the cerebrum functions. Rather than distracting the listener, music improves cognition. Cognition is a broader term used to describe the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, or the senses. There are 8 different cognitive systems in the brain. Music efficiently accesses and activates the different systems and can drive complex patterns of interaction between them. Due to the complex patterns of interaction caused by music, the brain functions more smoothly. The 2 most positively affected systems are memorization and focused attention. Scientists have found that listening to music while studying helps the brain to quickly memorize new information. When information like sensory data is sent to the brain, it is typically received first in one hemisphere. That information, however, must then be shared with the right side of your brain as well. That's where the corpus callosum comes into play. Since the 2 hemispheres of the brain are not connected, the corpus callosum acts as a bridge between the 2. Helping to process new information and enhance memorization, the corpus callosum allows for more efficient data transfer between the 2 hemispheres of the brain. A series of MRI scans from the Harvard Mahoney Neuroscience Institute showed that the corpus callosum was more stimulated while listening to music, as opposed to not listening to music. When listening to music, the neurons in the corpus callosum, which stimulate both sides of the brain, are activated. Presumably, this activation optimizes the memorization of new material because the information is processed by both hemispheres at once. To boost the memorization process, one can listen to music. Several studies have reported that music increases focused attention. Focused attention, which is facilitated by the frontal lobe, is the brain's ability to concentrate its attention on a target stimulus for any period of time. In music, the rhythmic patterns drive focused attention. Musical elements such as rhythm, melody, and harmony provide multidimensional stimuli that facilitate switching attention. A study from the University of Central Florida showed interesting results on how music affects focused attention. One group of students took a test while listening to music, and the other took the same test without. While the students took the test with music playing in the background, their brain scans showed that their frontal lobes were more engaged than the other group, the group not listening to music. Increasing frontal lobe activity also increases the brain's ability to focus its attention on a task. Consequently, the students who listened to music performed better on the test than the students who didn't. One can conclude that music helps people keep focused attention on their tasks, allowing them to complete them with efficiency and proficiency.